Hey guys, welcome back to another math video. So today's topic is comparing fractions. So this is one of the basics of fractions in math, comparing them. So today is going to be how you compare fractions. Because you see all of them have different tops, all of them have different bottoms, so how do you compare them? So today's first question is, which is the largest fraction? And we have 4 answer choices: 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, and 1/6. So, a thing in fractions is that, let's say 1/2 and 2/2. When the top is more and the bottoms are the same, the one that has more on the top is the bigger one. But it's the exact opposite with the bottom. So, with the bottom, if it's 1/3 versus 1/2, 1/2 is bigger because its bottom is less. So let's say you split something into 3 pieces versus 2 pieces. Obviously, 2 pieces is more on each piece because it's split less. So which is the largest fraction? So this one all has the same numerator, which is what we call the top, but they all have different denominators, which is what we call the bottom. So, as in denominators, the one with the smallest denominator is the biggest. And in 3, 4, 5, and 6, 3 is the smallest. So the answer is A. Moving on. Our next question is, which is the smallest fraction? Smallest this time, not largest. And I just accidentally put a random mark over here. I'm trying to get it off. Which is the smallest fraction? So, as we did with numerators, because all of these denominators are the same. So, as we did with numerators, the one with the biggest numerator is the biggest, and the one with the smallest numerator is the smallest. It's pretty easy to remember, unlike the denominator one. So, in 2, 3, 4, and 5, 2 is the smallest, so that means the answer is A. Moving on to the next question. Which fraction is between 1/4 and 1/2? So here we have 4 answer choices again, and the answer choices are 1/6, 1/3, 1/8, and 4/6. 4/6 here, if you turned it into the half portion, because if you turn half into the denominator into 6, it would actually be 3/6. And 3/6 is less than 4/6 because the numerator is less. So, and if 1/2 is more than 1/4 and this is between, then 4/6 is obviously out because it's already bigger than the maximum in this problem. So then let's move on. So, another little trick here in comparing fractions, look at all of these. All of them are 1. So, let's just look at the denominator this time. Which denominator, as you can see, these two denominators is 4 and 2. It's kind of like counting. So, which denominator is between 4 and 2? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And 6 is above it, so that means it's less than 1/4. And 8 is also above it, that also means it's less than 1/4. So the only answer here is B. So it's a quick little trick. Our last question is, which fraction is between 3/11 and 7/11? This is following the same logic as last time. Let's look for something that has an 11 here. There's one 11. And let's just make sure before we check everything else, because this has an 11. Easy pickings? We need to make sure. So, is 5 here between 3 and 7? So let's count here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, it is. So, that means that C is the answer because it's between 3 and 7. And on a test, since you want to lessen your time, you can just not check these other ones, but if you're in practice, you can. So I hope this video helped. And I'll see you in the next math video. Bye!